If you're watching this video, it means that you want to attract international patients and you already had or a call with me or some informations about our program. So in this video, I will just get over the 90-day action plan that we use to attract international patients for clinics. So basically, it consists in 4 phases from day 1 to day 90. It's the time we need to attract a certain number of patients. So you start from phase 1, which is day 1 to day 10, where we set up everything, the CRM, the automation, the WhatsApp, the email, profiles, everything we need to start the campaigns. And it starts after the day 10 and it goes until the end of the first month. Okay, so phase 2 is where we start capturing some leads, some volume, test the funnel, having some calls with the leads to warm them up. And just to clarify, we need an ad budget from 3,000 to 5,000 per month. This is what we recommend, okay, to start a campaign on a whole country, for France, Germany, whatever. It can go below that, okay, it can worse, but for better results, that's what we recommend. So we start calling these leads within the first 60 seconds. It increases the conversions by a lot. And during this call, the goal is just to build some trust, let them understand what dental tourism is actually, the process, and pre-close them before they call to the doctor. All the informations are tracked into the CRM, where you'll see name, country, treatment stage, everything. And it goes to the phase number 3, which is month 2. We'll start analyzing the performances, refine the targeting, and increase of volume of the qualified patients. We'll do weekly adjustments with the clients to see what needs some optimizations or what's working and what's not. This goes into the phase number 4, the 3rd month, where we see the best results from experience. And we'll push the top performing campaign and close the one that are not really profitable. And this marked the end of the period. So just to sum up everything like the performance, if a clinic follows these steps, these phases, and is consistent, we can wait around 15 to 17 patients with an average of 4,000 per treatment. This makes around 68,000 in gross revenue, and by a 12,000 euro spent on a 4,000 ad budget per month, this is equals around 60,000 euro over 90 days, which is a good return investments just from the start. Just to finish, there's a few things that makes this system works, which makes it unique. From the starting point of contact in the 60 seconds, which build a lot of trust and increases conversions by 291%, which is quite a lot. There is the pre-qualification before a doctor meet them into teleconsultations. We ask them for a CBCT, the budget, everything. Then the teleconsultation, as we said. And also the CRM dashboard with the psychology behind it. I'm explaining because people need to understand that, and they need to feel that we care about them, we care for them, and that we're not only here just to make some money, okay? They need to do a treatment. It's a lot of commitment. They're human at the end. So we really want a client to understand that. And this is what makes these systems work overall. If you want to know more about how this system can be implemented into your clinic, just reply to this or book a free call in the link below.